Pure wool, pure gold, plain truth. That's the second definition in the dictionary. And here the word changes. In English, it isn't clean, it's pure, without added or foreign elements, not mixed with anything else. It's the one I think about most. Pure wool is wool, and nothing else. Pure gold is gold, and nothing else. It doesn't need an ingredient list because there's only one ingredient. Take your shampoo down from the shelf. Turn the bottle over. Count the ingredients. I've seen bottles with over 30 substances in something that claims to wash your hair clean. Most of them you can't pronounce. Some of them the chemist who formulated the product can't explain in one sentence either. The question isn't whether they're dangerous. The question is what they're doing there. My great-grandmother would have called it clutter. Not because she knew what methyl isothiazolinone was, but because she knew you don't need 30 things to make something clean. Her soap had 4 ingredients: fat, lye, water, thyme. The end product was 2 things: soap and glycerin, both natural consequences of the process. Nothing added, nothing removed, nothing foreign. That's the definition the industry struggles with most, because they can't sell nothing added. They can't market an absence. There's no story in "we left it alone." No campaign in "we didn't tamper with it." So they add dye so it looks right, fragrance so it smells right, preservative so it lasts longer than it should, foaming agent so it feels right. And suddenly there are 30 ingredients in something that only needed 4. Pure wool is wool. Pure gold is gold. Real soap is fat, lye, water, and thyme. Everything else is added.